What's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Finally, the summer is here, and there's nothing I enjoy better than sitting outside and actually cooking outside and enjoying the nice, warm weather. So, I'm doing that today with my Weber grill. I'm gonna do some chicken patty melts on the grill, smoke them a little bit, because that's just how we get down, all right? And the thing I love about a patty melt is a good, like, sauteed, caramelized onion, and guess what? On the grill, we're doing that, all right? First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna slice down some onion. All right, I'm gonna thinly slice these onions down, just like this. And then we'll saute these and caramelize these right on the grill. All right, also, let's go ahead and season up our chicken as well. So I'm gonna use ground chicken for this. Ground chicken right into a bowl. Let's season our ground chicken, real simple. Got some pepper, some salt, a little bit of garlic powder. And to make sure nothing sticks or burns and give us good flavor, we'll do a little bit of olive oil in there, huh? All right, I'm gonna put some gloves on, and I'm just gonna mix this together ever so gently so we can get it on the grill. And this is enough for 2 half-pound patties, so you're nice and thick. There you go, all right? Let's go outside and get these on the grill. So we're out here on the back. Beautiful weather, fantastic. I've got my Genesis grill preheating. So you wanna treat the grill just like you would any other like sort of regular charcoal grill. If you put the lid down, there's a gauge right on front, and the gauge will tell you when you're at 350 degrees preheated, you're ready to go. We'll put our oil in here, and we'll keep it on low, and then we'll drop our onions right in here. Then we'll season them, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Okay. We're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna ever so carefully place the burgers right there. Oh yeah, you hear that? We'll shut the lid and we'll see you in a minute. Look at those onions just caramelizing away low and slow. Oh, smells so good. All right, let's flip these burgers. Look at that. Nice and juicy. All right, we're gonna close the lid, let them keep cooking on low heat so they cook all the way through. All right, so our burgers have been cooking, maintaining a nice even heat. It's time to add the cheese, because what's a patty melt without the cheese? OMG, look at that. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that, bro. Let me see if I can flip it first. Ooh, nice and juicy on the inside. We'll put a slice of cheese on both. And we'll close the lid, let the cheese melt. All right, so our onions are all cooked up nicely. So we'll add these to the plate. Ooh, look at that. Super crispy, caramelized. Extra onion meat, please. Okay, let's take a look at the burgers. Huh? Come on, for the cheese melting like this. All right, there's the first burger. And this is our second. All right, let's go. All right, so to make the patty melts, we've got some lovely buns, and we'll just put a nice little piece of mayo on the bottom of the bun. Let's grab these chicken patty melts. There's one, there's two. And then look, I'm gonna add in a handful of the onions. All right, you know what time it is. Put a little lid on them. Ooh, look at that. Right, actually, let me cut it open, actually. Let's do that. Then we'll go in for a bite. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Let me taste this. I'm sorry, I gotta go for it. Oh. Come on now. Juicy, flavorful, smoky from the Weber Genesis 2 grill. The onions are a perfect backdrop. That mayo acts like a glue and brings everything together. You gotta give it a try. First of all, go get the Weber grill. Genesis. Then come back and make this, all right? The full recipe on my website, DariusCooks.tv. 2 things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking from my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.